we're at Copper Creek. We're in a deluxe studio with a walk-in shower, and gonna give you a little look around. We are on the second floor, which is the ground level here. So our balcony is actually just a little patio area, but got a cool little view of the lobby and the little creek that runs down to the pool area. Very private, really close to the lobby. And it has, of course, the pull-out sleeper sofa. And it has the bed, little TV area, a little small dinette, and a little kitchenette area with a microwave, coffee pot, refrigerator, and of course, bathroom. And this one has the walk-in shower with the rain shower. And so this is a deluxe studio here at Copper Creek with a walk-in shower.